Hey everyone, my name is Jarrod Lindemann with Rad Aerosports, and I fly the one and only jet-powered Waco taper wing, and I want to talk a little bit about our electrical and battery system. So years past, we needed a good, solid, reliable battery that had enough power and lightweight to start the jet engine, and having the multiple power plants in the aircraft created some problems, so we had actually 8 batteries aboard the airplane. This past winter, I worked with EarthX and removed all 8 batteries and installed 3 of their new 24-volt batteries that run the entire system, start the radial engine and the jet engine, and they have enough power, they're reliable, and the simplicity has been fantastic. So I would like everybody to check out EarthX batteries and keep them in mind for their aircraft.